So trying out more 22 ammo today. I was actually really excited about these Aguila. I don't know how you say it. Doesn't really matter. But it's very interesting. So 15 yards, 6-inch steel plates. These have been the best running round I have found so far for the Beretta 22 long rifle. Sewing machine, no jams, just absolutely fantastic. Very happy with them. However, they don't like a revolver. So this will probably be the end of their use with me, but I'll kind of show you what they're doing here. Sorry about that. So we're loaded up with these Rugos here. It's kind of wild. You're going to see what'll happen here after I shoot. So here's the fun part. Now this gun is a little dirty, granted, but these things are, the amount of smoke coming out of this gun while I'm shooting is just nuts, and these things are stuck. Let me switch hands here. So basically, the only way to get these things to let go, it's kind of wild. I got to basically, and you can see the marks here. I've had to do this a couple times. So definitely wouldn't recommend these guys for a revolver. I'll give this gun a clean and try it again, and if they work better, I'll put an update video for myself. But that's really disappointing because these things got a good, really good bang for the buck, but definitely don't want to be taking the table to my revolver to unload it.